Among have one day tomorrow and then St. Patrick's Day. Miguel Perez Productions presents Beijing Film Studio steal Alicia's snack and gets grounded. Man, I can't believe my parents told the lunchman to give by cinnamon roll and milk from now on. Why can't have food that I like the cafeteria like other students? I know. I will steal Alicia's snack from his locker. That way I don't like to eat the cinnamon roll and milk ever again. Ha 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 ha. Soy 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 rough 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 rough. In the hallway. Oh my god! It's Alicea eats those all the time. I can't wait to eat those all of snacks.
I can't wait to get my snacks, my lunch like tuna sandwich, Faygo orange soda, chocolate bar, and Pringles. Let's going to eat to the lunch. Oh my god, my lunch in my locker. Now it's not there. I will telling the principal about this.
Wow! Those snacks is so delicious. I am never going to eat cinnamon rolls and milk ever again.
Attention students. Someone stole Alicia's lunch. Whoever is that student, report to my office.
When Beijing Film Studios got principal's office.
Beijing Film Studio. Please don't tell me you stole Alicia's snack.
Please don't tell me.
Yes, I stole your snacks, Alicea.
Change to furious Wiseguy voice in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Beijing Film Studio. You know you are not allowed to steal people's lunch. Thanks to you, I was very hungry for snacks.
That's it. You are suspended until spring break. Go home now.
Beijing Film Studio, how do you steal people's lunch? You know you are not stole someone's lunch.
But Dad, it's not my fault. I only did that because I hate all of you. I hate the cinnamon rolls and stopped drinking milk for lunch.
I don't care. You should not steal people's lunch. That's it. You are grounded for 50,000 years. This means you will force to eat cinnamon roll and drinking milk from now on. Go upstairs to your room, or I will sending you to Mongolia.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.